How to search the effect option on your Instagram. Hello everyone, it's me Smal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can search the effect option on your Instagram. So make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Instagram. After that, simply open Instagram and log into your account. Just choose any photo or click any photo if you want to put any photos on Instagram story. And on the right side of sticker here you see the option of 3 stars right here. When you tap on this, you will see many effects right here, like this and this. Just choose your favorite effect and then tap on it, and then you can post on your story as well, or you can simply save the photo with this effect and then save it on your gallery like that as well. You can also use the effect while you chat with anyone, or you wanna just post any random videos also, just by tapping on this option right here. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on our comment section below.